So students, come to 4.1, that is reproductive health and the problems and strategies. So what is reproductive health? What are different problems countered with us, and what are different strategies are given against to control or to resolve these problems. Okay. So India was amongst the first countries in the world to initiate action plans and programs at national level to attain total reproductive health as a social goal. So these programs called family planning were initiated in 1951. This year is very very important. It may be one mark question and were periodically assessed over the past decades. Okay, so India was the first country to initiate the planning, that is family planning. So the improved programs covering a wider reproduction related areas are currently in operation under the popular name, that is reproductive and child health care, that is RCH programs. So in India, this program in the name of reproductive and child health care, RCH, this organization of government is working to counter, to resolve, to sort out different problems with reproductive strategies. So creating awareness among people about various reproduction related aspects and providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society are the major tasks under these programs. Okay, so providing facilities, support for building up a reproductive healthy society, okay, different reproduction related aspects, these are the main domains of the RCH. With the help of audio visual and print media, governmental and non-governmental agencies have taken various steps to create awareness among the people about reproduction related aspects. So parents and other close relatives, teachers and friends also have a major role in the dissemination of the above information. So as we are living with the surrounding, with our parents, with friends, with relatives, with teachers, with family members, with cousins, so they also played a major role for the dissemination of the information. So introduction of the sex education in schools should also be encouraged to provide right information to the young so as to discourage children from believing in myths and having the misconception about the sex related aspects, because we are because in our recent days and nowadays it is very rare, but before some years there are many myths were going on throughout our surrounding as well as our environment, in our society also. Okay, which misguided many young children. So to escape from that, sex education is going on in childhood in our schools to educate the students how the actually sex has to be, healthy sex can be maintained, how the child should be escaped from the sex abused. Okay, so proper information about reproductive organs, adolescents and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices or sexually transmitted diseases, AIDS, etc. World would help people, especially those in the adolescent age group, and lead to reproductively healthy life. Educating people, especially fertile couples and those in marriageable age group, about the available birth control options, care of the pregnant mothers, postnatal care of the mother and child, importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities for male and female child, etc., would address the importance of bringing of socially conscious healthy families of desired size. Okay, so awareness of the problems. Hello sir. Hello.